So in today's video, I'm going to start off this first DIY hack using these two crates from the Dollar Tree. As you can see, I'm just struggling to remove the tags. This video is all about the hair accessories from the Dollar Tree, as you can tell from the thumbnail. I'm going to be showing you some really quick and easy ways to use hair accessories out of the Dollar Tree to create some simple DIY hacks, and especially for the springtime. Now, here's a bag of the hair accessories that I have. I have all sorts that I picked up that I thought was so cute. I also attach bows and things like this to my purse. And I'll be showing you those hacks on a part 2 of this video. And here's just some spring socks that I picked up as well. But as you can see, I have the scrunchie, the bows, the clips, just really pretty colors and really pretty hair accessories that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. So let's jump right into it. As you can see, I'm using this teal color acrylic paint to paint these crates. You can use any color. I wanted to go with this color because it matches a little teacup that I have. And what I'm creating is some little baskets to style some tea bags in. As I mentioned in my other video, I'm having a tea party for my sister's birthday, and it is tomorrow. It has arrived. It's tomorrow. And so I wanted to create some cute little baskets for spring, for Easter, and something that I can use to hold the tea bags for now. So once those has dried, I'm going to set them to the side. And here are my accessories that I'll be using. Those two headbands and the matching scrunchies. And so I'm just going to remove the hair accessories from the packaging. This is like a really see-through ribbon, and you can see like some little florals on here. I absolutely love these. The Dollar Tree put out some really cute hair accessories, and I just thought, why not make some cute little items? As you can see, the headband, I just inserted them from the outside to the inside. I'm going to show you again. And you don't have to add glue if you don't want to, because it fits nice and secure. And to make it a little bit more secure, that's why I added the scrunchies, because it's going to go over the holes to add a little elastic to the crate. I want to say, as you can see, I am collaborating with my sweet friend May from Craft the Way with May. We are bringing you some DIY hacks using hair accessories from the Dollar Tree. I'm super excited to see what my friend May has created, because she is so talented. And thank you, May, for joining me. So after watching this video, check the description box below for the information to get more inspiration. So I also have these two bow accessory clips, but I wanted just the pearl round piece and the pearl in the middle off of these. But as you can see, it did not damage the bow, so I can use these for another DIY. I'm just carefully pulling off the round pearl piece. It looked like I'm going fast, but that's because the video is sped up a little bit. So I'm going to start off with these round pieces first, and all I'm doing is placing them right on top of that scrunchie that I add. And as you can see, I push the scrunchie in the middle to kind of act like ribbon, and then I'm just going to add these little pearls. I was just showing you that I will be removing those small pearls later. I just wanted to see first if I like it with just the round piece. I'm going to be using some hot glue to attach those little round pieces right in the middle. If you're coming over from my friend's May channel, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I really do hope you enjoyed this video. And once again, I'm super excited to see what May has come up with. So as you can see, this is how it looked. So I do want to add the pearls. The other little pearl pieces in the middle. So what I'm going to do is, after I add this one, I'll get those bows again, and I'll remove the little pearls in the middle, and I'm going to remove them carefully. They were actually pretty easy to pull off, because I just wanted to make sure that I didn't damage those bows, because I absolutely love them. And this may be something that I attach to a purse, but I do make a DIY using one of these bows, and I absolutely love it, and you will see that coming up shortly. So as you can see, the bow is still intact, and it's really pretty. I just removed those pearl pieces because I'm going to be hot gluing them right in the center of those little circle pieces. I also want to say thank you so much for clicking on my video. Welcome to my channel, Lovely Moments Creating. I hope you join the family by hitting that subscribe button. So as you can see, I'm just going to add the other pearl. I'm going to add some tea bags to these. These are absolutely adorable. You can use them for anything. I actually like them as little gift baskets, and I might create them a different color to give to my sisters for Easter, to give them some cute little beauty items. So now here's the bow, and this is the one that's intact because I'm going to be using that as is. And look at this pearl headband. I picked up a couple of these pearl headbands. I think these are really cute to create some decor with, and I'm going to be creating something with these in another video. So I do want this bow off of this hair clip because it is on a clip. But I just pulled it off, and I just took my time, and I'll show you. So what I did was just lift it up on one side off of the clip, and then I flipped it over to the other side, and then I just went back and forth from each side until I had the bow pulled off, just pulling a little bit from each side. And I believe this is just glued on there, so I just kept pulling and pulling slowly, and then I end up just getting the clip off, and my bow was intact. As you can see, I zip tied that headband together. That was pretty simple. I thought I was filming, but I wasn't. I just took a white zip tie and just zip tied the headband together, and all I have to do now is just position it and hot glue that bow to the top. As you can see, I'm just repositioning where I zip tied it together, and then I'm finding my placements. And this is so cute. This is a really cute door hanger. This is a cute doorknob hanger, but I'm going to be hooking this right onto a nail, and I'm using it as a towel holder because I've been wanting to put like a really pretty spring towel above my T-bar, just to go with the whole theme. And I thought adding a cute little spring towel will bring a little bit more character to my little T section. So I'm just adding the glue, making sure that everything is nice and secure. And I think this is so cute. There's other headbands and bows and different colors you can use. And as I mentioned, this will be a really cute door hanger, but I hung it on a nail, put my towel on there, and how adorable is this? This is really, really cute for the spring. This next hack is really simple and easy. I love it. I have these two hair clips from the Dollar Tree. They were really easy to be removed from that hair clip. I wish I would have picked up more of these. I absolutely love this hack. Simple, easy, but it is really cute. So it's felt at the bottom, and it's just glued on this clip. So all I pretty much had to do was grip it really good and just pull. And it pulled right off of that clip, which kept this clip really intact. And I will save these clips because you can just glue some florals on those clips and use those clips for something else. As you can see, this piece is intact, and I'm just going to bring out these boards here. These is the bamboo cutting boards from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to make a simple, really pretty tray that I'm going to style on my nightstand. And this was simple but so cute. And the Dollar Tree have the little pearl clips. I think this will be really, really cute using pearls, which I'm definitely going to be doing, but I have a different way I'm going to do that, and I will be posting that. I pulled out 6 of the little cubes out of the pack from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to add 3 to each one. I'm adding one of these cubes right under each one of those pearls because it's 3 pearls on the top, and so I'm just adding 3 of these cubes right under each one of the pearls. And so I just add some hot glue, and then I place the cube right on top, and then I'm going to add another dot and add another cube, and I'll be repeating this step and doing this to the other piece as well. Once I have them both complete, all I have to do is now add them to this cutting board, and now I have the cutest tray. I'm using these as handles. Now you can use wood glue to attach them. I did use my hot glue because I used the Gorilla Glue sticks and they work pretty well, but I do recommend using wood glue. And so as you can see, I just pushed it up a little bit more, and I had it even with the end of the board, and that way I know everything is even. And so I'm adding the hot glue, and I'm going to place this one on that side. Simple, and as I mentioned, the Dollar Tree have a lot of really pretty clips that you can use if you don't like this one, but I love the pearls and the pink, and I thought they was just perfect for the springtime. I added on my nightstand, and I love it. Now for this next DIY hack, I have some more hair clips. Now I couldn't decide if I wanted to use the pearls or these gold colory starfish, but as I was looking, I decided to use the starfish. So I'm just pulling it off of the clip. I felt like the pearls will be hard, but I once I pulled off these starfish, they were pretty easy to come off, and I really did like them because I thought it would look better with the pictured frame and what I'm going to be styling in it. So as you can see, it's intact, and I'm just going to remove the other one. And now I have this white pictured frame from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to take the plastic off of it. I absolutely love this. This is really cute. This is something else that's going to the venue to be set up for the tea party. And I will be posting pictures on my Facebook. So um, all I'm going to do is attach these two pieces on each end of this picture frame, and I'll be using some hot glue to attach it. This is a really simple and cute way to upgrade the Dollar Tree frames. Look in the hair accessory section, find you some cute barrettes or hair clips, remove them from the back, and you can use these so much for embellishment on items. And that's why there's going to be a part 2 to this video that I'm going to have uploaded next week, where I'm showing other ways that I've used these scrunchies, hair clips, and the rest of the hair accessories. I really absolutely love using these. So now I'm going to add these prayer card. So I'm removing the backing. I always pick up these prayer cards from the Dollar Tree, and I have so many, and now they're coming in handy because this is something else I'm going to be taking to the tea party. Is definitely these prayer cards. So what you see me doing now is looking through them to see which one I wanted to use. So I found one that I really liked, and I'm just going to add it into the frame. And I love that you do not have to trim these. They fit perfect inside of these frames. From the Dollar Tree, these are the 4x6 frames. And here I am just making sure that that's the card I want to go with. I absolutely love these prayer cards. And so I'm just going to put everything back together. And this is such a cute hack on styling these prayer cards, is by adding these frames, and the embellishment is just perfect. Now the Dollar Tree put out some really cute scrunchies, and this one is so cute. I just have to cut the side of it because it was like stitched together. And what I'm going to do is just add it to this candle holder from the Dollar Tree. This scrunchie is so pretty. I actually have a lot of pretty scrunchy. So if you like this kind of decor, please tune in next week when I do a part 2 to these hair accessory videos. I'm telling you, these are so cute. So what you see me doing while I was talking was I added glue around the base because I want to secure this scrunchie to this candle holder, a little pedestal. And so I'm going to add glue on both sides to secure this. This is so cute, and they have so many different ones if you don't like this, but I thought this was really pretty for the spring. All I'm doing is just going around with some hot glue, making sure that everything is intact, and I think this is absolutely adorable. I'm going to be styling this with a really cute candle and candle holder that I was gifted. And so once I have it secure, I'm going to place a candle on top of this. And how cute is this? Really look at the details on this scrunchie. I can't believe this is a scrunchie. These florals on here is so pretty, and I absolutely love how simple this was to make, and I absolutely love how it turned out. Thank you all so much for tuning in and watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video just as much as I did. If so, please remember to give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, join the family because I would love to have you here. As always, in the comment section below, let me know which one of these DIYs were your favorite. And remember, I am collaborating with my sweet friend May from Craft Away with May. So don't forget to check the description box for the information to some more inspiration. Until next time, my sweet friends, stay safe so that I can see you in the next video.